Just had a moment of like, Cora just had a breakthrough of faces today.
Well, yeah. Did you see her in jazz?
Yeah, dude, I've never seen her do cry faces. Like actually, like full on like eyebrows, cry face. I can't even believe it. I almost start crying about that.
You better start crying about that. Have you told Joel it's just
Well, he leaned over to me during jazz and goes, "When did you get these facials?"
I thought that too.
Cora had a major breakthrough today. Faces. Like, oh no, I almost started crying watching her do Lyrical. I've never seen her do cry faces ever like that. Yeah, when we were practicing. Like full blown, like Louie, like full blown doing your faces. I don't know what happened today.
What?
You had a breakthrough today.
What?
You had a breakthrough today.
What's that?
Means like you like hit a milestone. Like you all of a sudden your faces just clicked today.
Oh, because I wanted to win.
I've never seen you do lyrical faces like you were just doing in the hallway, ever. So proud of you.
Don't choke me, please.
I'm gonna choke you.